In this video, I'm going to show how to create a test using items out of the test item pool. I'm going to start out. I've logged into my UTIPS account at utips.org. I've gone to My Test. I'm going to go to New. I'm going to create a new assessment. I've selected my folder. I go to New, and I'm going to do Assessment, and I'm going to type in the name. This is going to be Exploring CS Review. I'm going to make it available. I'm going to want to show immediate feedback. I'm going to show items in random order for each different student. I'm going to have them do a %, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to add items from the item pool. So there I've got items in the item pool. So I've aligned subject to CTE. I'm come down, I'm going to choose the pool I want is the IT Exploring Computer Science. As I do this, I'm going to use items from the test. I'm going to select 5 from Standard 1. I'm going to do 5 from Standard 2. I'm going to do 5 from Standard 6 and 5 from there. And then I click Add Items from Pool. That should put my items in the. Once I've got my items in the pool, I can look over my items, check to see if they're ones that I want. If they're ones that I want to get rid of, I can clean those up. One of the things I want to do is I need to go in and check any of them that have more than one answer. I'm going to give them, let those be scored with partial credit. So I'm just going to put a score with partial credit on each one of those. I've gone through my items. I marked them all to score with partial credit. Got the ones I want. I'm just going to do a save now, and my test will be saved for those students that I want. Now I can assign that test to students. Click over on participants, opens up the classes that I have available. I don't have any students, but if I had students, I would see my students. I would go in and add all the students that I wanted to take the test. I'm just going to add some teachers here and let them be students that they can take the test. Then I do a save, and that test should be available the next time they log in to see that. It'll show up over on the left hand side as assessments to take there, and they should be able to see those. And there is my test that's available for teachers to take. If I click it, I can begin the test now, and that new test I created will show up, and it randomizes the questions and randomizes the answers. In this, I've shown how to create a new test, pulling items out of the test item pool. They're aligned to standards. I chose how many questions from each standard that I wanted to use. I went sure and made all of those that had multiple answers that they could get partial credit for getting them right. And I assigned it to students and pulled it up to show what it would look like for a student when the student takes the test. And that's the end of this video.